Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Meg's How To Videos, where today we're going to go over how I built my very own cat tree. When building a cat tree, the first step is to pick a room. The second step is then to begin setting up that cat tree. The reason why I chose my living room to hang up the cat tree is because the layout worked out the best. It's got a tall ceiling, which allows me enough space to hang different shelves at different levels, giving the cats more to climb on. The materials I used while building this cat tree consisted of a variety of different 90-degree angle shelf brackets, a 1x4 that you can see runs across the top of the window, some 1x10s for the actual shelves that hold all the cat tree parts, an assortment of 1/2 inch, 2 inch, and 2.5 inch screws, as well as bolts and other hardware that I salvaged from the discard cat tree parts.
Now, when it comes to mounting those shelves to the wall, I recommend you getting a stud finder. Now these come in different shapes and sizes. Some you can just get with the flashing lights or built-in screen. Oh, look at that. It works. That tells me there's a stud located right here in the wall. And that's where I will mark so I can put one of the 90-degree angle brackets.
Building this cat tree didn't just happen overnight. In fact, it took me almost a year to finally salvage enough cat houses and parts to fill in all the shelves and complete it. My favorite part of this cat tree is the loft that I built. For some reason, this house came with this weird empty space above this closet, and for the longest time I had no idea what to use it for. Eventually, once the cat tree had grown to the point where it reached that corner, I decided, hey, this would be a cool idea to build a little loft so that my kids could climb up there and play with the cats in the tree. Here I put together a list of all the items that I salvaged from the trash and repurposed for this build. You can see that I saved over $1,000. Hopefully this encourages you to salvage and repurpose discarded items to help save you money on future projects. Well, there you have it. Hopefully this video has given you an idea on how you can go about building your very own cat tree. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button below. That and subscribe to my channel to see more how-to videos. If this video helped you out, or you have an idea for another how-to video, as well as questions that may not have been addressed in this video, please leave in the comments below and I will try to get back to you on that. With that said, God bless and good luck.